Looking for a healthy yet decadent dessert? Make sure you check out my gluten-free chocolate raspberry brownies. They are heavenly and they're healthy. Gluten-free flour, baking powder, salt, xanthan gum, stir, add the coconut palm sugar, 1 egg white, 1 whole egg, some sweet potato, lightly stir, don't overmix. Combine vanilla extract and espresso powder first, and then combine it with the wet ingredients. Melt the coconut oil by slowly stirring in dark cocoa powder until you get a nice velvety chocolate sauce. Combine with the wet ingredients. Mix in your gluten-free flour and dry ingredients. Slowly fold in your raspberries. Be gentle with them. Pour it into an 8x8 baking dish. Cook at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And voila, there you have it. Gluten-free chocolate raspberry brownies. Oh my God. My gluten-free chocolate raspberry brownies. I'm just gonna pack them up and surprise my sweet husband. He's out on the golf course with his friends. Just gonna bring them all a little sweet yet healthy treat.
We got the brownies. Hi, honey.
I love. Oh my God.
Hi, guys.
Brownies.
I have something for you. And for you to share with your friends.
They're
Very gooey. They're like candy, you guys.
All right.
Don't be surprised at the gooey.
That's actually pretty good.